I got a flicker up here. I think he's gonna drink out of the hummingbird feeder. I used to feed flickers here all the time. They used to sit on it. I got a hummingbird protecting, boss hummingbirds protecting the area. Says, go away, flicker. Oh, there's another flicker. 2 flickers. Yeah, there he goes, look. Hi, baby. Do you have flickers that do this? Do you have a hummingbird feeder? Look at him. Hummingbird wars with the flicker. Flicker's like, let me finish it for you, then he can fill it up. Isn't this cool? Look at that. Oh, I love my time here in the desert. Nature and me, we smile at each other so much. It's a true blessing. Look at that. Is that not amazing? My friends, please like, share, and subscribe if you love nature such as this. Walk in beauty.